Hello, welcome back to Think with Digital. Today we're going to learn about how to sign up for Clickup. Started, it's free option here. Go to get started, it's free. Now they will ask you to put your email from here. Just type your email or email from the saved Gmails. Now first add your full name here in the full name section. Then put your email and choose a password. And your password has to be a minimum of 8 characters and they have to be very strong. After putting the password, tap on Play with Clickup. Or if you want to sign in with your Google account, then you can just simply go to sign in with Google. Once you do that, they will ask you to prove that you are a human being. So just pass the test and then go to the next step. After passing the test, again tap on Play with ClickUp and just wait for some seconds until it is processed. And now they will send you a code in your Gmail that you have put into to log in. Now go to your Gmail. Now go to permissions and we will see a code from ClickUp team. Now copy the code and then go back to your browser and just paste your confirmation code. Then select what you would like to use ClickUp for. So for me, it's not personal, it's for my business. So I would like to do it as a work. How large is your company? If you have 1 to 10 people, then you can tap on 1 to 10. If you are the only one who is currently working at the company, then you can tap on I don't know. For now, then how many people are going to work with you? You can just add these informations. Now, if you're using for personal use, then you can tap on personal use. But if you have business or any kind of work, then you can just choose any options from here. And then just keep on putting your informations. And then you can add any workspace thing that you want. For now, it's going to be just like this. And then just tap on finish. Once you do that, you will be directed to clickup.com. Here is my profile that I just created. This is how you can easily sign up for clickup.com step by step. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next tutorial of ClickUps.